Hello everyone, I am Ankit and today I am going to give you a walkthrough of our new camera Sling bag. Now this bag is designed specially for photographers and creators who need to access their camera gear on the move. Now let's get to the inside of this bag. So as you open the bag from these two buckles, inside you will find two main compartments. Now one compartment is to keep your laptop. You can easily fit your MacBook Pro 14 inches in this compartment. In the main compartment, you can keep your mirrorless camera, you can fit your lenses, you can keep your drones, anything that you need during your shoot. Now on the front part, you will find this one zipper pocket. You can keep your power banks, your loose cables in this particular pocket. So when I close this backpack, on the top you will find a zipper. So now this zipper is designed so that you don't have to open the bag again and again. You can easily access your camera body from the top of this particular zipper. So now coming on the outside of this particular bag, on the right hand side you will find this pocket where you can keep your SD cards, your batteries that probably you need to change while you are on the shoot. On the other side you will find this water bottle pocket to keep yourself hydrated. Now coming to the back side of this bag. On the back side you will find a waterproof zipper where you can keep your mobile phones, your documents, passports, anything that you need on the go, right? And you can grab this particular bag from this handle.
Attach your tripod to the extendable buckle straps and carry it effortlessly with your camera gear. It is designed for ease, balance, and convenience on the go.
Now this is a sling bag. It can be adjusted according to your height and your comfort. And you can also remove this in case you don't want to access the sling belt. So yes, this is our camera sling bag and it comes into three colors. One of this is an olive green color, the other one is your favorite black color, and then the third one is peanut gray. I hope you like all these three colors, and if you want to purchase these bags, you can order it from our website carrypro.in. Thank you.